Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to design a complete real estate website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video. So here is a demo of a real estate website I just completed for a client. It's a very modern real estate website whereby we have home page, we have resort, we have agent, we have featured, we have about us, we have contact us. And the fun part is that we have two home pages in this real estate website. And then if I scroll down, we have a very powerful slider whereby it carries what, distance, categories, countries, the cities, and then the price range you want to search for. And then here we have all, sell, rent, sell and rent. And if I scroll down, we have homes around the world. All these can be edited. We have view for rent. We have popular listing whereby we have some homes which are listed. We have the black glass house, we have days also. And then if I scroll down, we have services you need, perfect tools, search and click, user control, 5-star support. Here we have find perfect place whereby we have countries which are listed whereby you can find homes around these countries. And then we have client testimonials, and then we have the footer, guys. Here we have the about us page which has a drop down list. We have the contact us page, and we have the sign in and register, and then we also have the submit listing button, guys. Here we have the currency whereby we have the euro, we have the HRK, we have the USD dollars, a system like this. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead and then check the admin dashboard and see its features, guys. So guys, here we have the admin interface where I use the realestate.whitevon digital index.php/admin/user/login, guys. And then if you observe, I already signed into an agent's account. I'm just going to change this to the admin. I'm just going to click on this and then hit the sign in, guys. So guys, great. Right now I'm signed into the admin, and we have latest added estates whereby you can edit, delete and so on. If I scroll down, we have all the edits I've done on this page. Literally on the admin page, you can edit each and every content that appears on this home page. From the admin dashboard, you can make an edit and it's going to affect every content on this page, guys. So I'm just going to go back to my admin panel, and then here we have the pages and menu. And then here we have add page, and then where we have add a estate, guys. So if we click on add a page, you can automatically add a new page to your website. If I click on add a page, I'm going to be asked to put in a page name, and automatically it's going to create a new page, guys. I have the English title for this page, the navigation title, the keyword for the SEO, and then we have the description, and finally the body, and after that we have the button save, guys. Yes guys, so here we have the real estate, and under the real estate we have where you can manage. I'm just going to click on manage so you can see how you can manage all your estates, guys. So guys, on this interface you can add a estates, and then we have 15 estates which are listed here whereby you can make an edit if you want to edit some of these estates. And then here guys, if you notice, we have what we call featured highlighted in this estate, and then we also have activated at the moment because it has been published. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see we have other estates which are listed on our real estate website, guys. So this is basically how to make an edit. All you need to do is to come here and click on edits. So I'm just going to come here and then change the address of my estate to whatever I want to change it to, and then put in the GPS coordinates and so on, put in my description and so on, guys. And after that I'm going to hit on save, guys. So when this has been saved, automatically we have all changes appear. So I'm just going to go back to manage and show you guys how to add a new estate. If you to add a new estate, all you need to do is to click on add a estate, and then you're going to see where you can add address and so on. I'm just going to scroll down. These are what you're going to fill whenever you want to view an estate. Basically, this system is so simple, guys, so simple and straightforward. So I'm just going to scroll up, and then here we have the fields. We have the dependent field, we have the search forms, we have location, and then we have categories. I'm just going to click on field first, and under field we have the property name, we have the category, and so on. You can make an edit to each and every of this field which are appearing on your home page or on your website, and you can add a new field for all your properties. So here we have the dependent field. These are fields that depend on another field, guys. And then here we have the search forms. I'm just going to click on search forms and show you guys what you can do here. So here we have the site page, we have the top custom search, we have the top. So guys, you can decide to add more forms to your estate website, and you can decide to delete literally all the forms if you want. So guys, here we have categories whereby you can add categories to your listing, guys. So the next thing we have here is the agents and users, guys. This is where you can view all agents who have registered on your real estate platforms, guys. So here we have an admin, we have agent C, we have agent 2, we have all users. These are users which are currently registered on this system, and this is my account, guys, and then dev script, and then it's being listed as a visitor because I'm a visitor and not an agent, guys. And here we have the inquiries, guys. We have inquiries whereby you can see all inquiries. If I click on inquiries, you're going to see every inquiries made by a user. So guys, here we have some inquiries which are being made. We have these interested for this property, and the estate which this inquiry was being made is the #30 Sestical, guys. And then the next thing we have here is profile, guys. So here you can be able to view your profile as an admin, guys. So here we have admin, password, we type password, type admin, agent, and so on. And the fun part here is that you can activate user estates, you can deactivate user estates that is being available on the homepage or on the website. And then here we have remove all listings. You can decide to remove all the listings which are showing on the website. And then here we have reviews, guys. If I scroll down, we have a lot of field which will be filled, guys. So next we have the settings page. Under the settings we have the company details. This is where you're going to make changes to your website, guys. So here, guys, we have the company contacts, and this was found under settings. If you click on settings, you're going to find company contacts, and we have the web title, Showway properties, we have the address, and so on, guys. The next thing here is the language. We have the design templates, we have the system setting, we have the add-on, we have the currency conversion. If we scroll down, we have the address for the footer, and so on, guys. So you can literally make all edits for your website directly on this admin dashboard. So guys, under this design templates, you can pick a design you can use for your websites, and then this design automatically changes the entire look of each and every page of your website, guys. So guys, the next thing we have here is slider. This is basically where you can make edits to the slider which shows on the home page. You can decide to change the slider from this to any of these to be at the first. I can just decide to swap this and this, or I can add a new file. The next thing we have here is the statistic, whereby you can view all statistics for your sites. And then we have the backup, we have packages, we have the manage, we have the users, we have payments, and so on. So guys, this system has an entire real estate complete solution embedded in one, guys. And then we now have the review, we have the favorites, we have payments, and then we have the research, guys. If I click on payment and I click on activations, so guys, for now no purchase have been made on this website. That's the reason why we have it empty, guys. So basically this is how the admin features work, whereby you can add an agent and so on the admin website. So guys, the fun part is that even the agent also have his own panel whereby he can add an estate, he can list estates and do other things on the website. So guys, I'm just going to go to the users dashboard and show you guys what exactly the users dashboard is all about. I'm just going to go back to our home page and then click on sign in and register. So this is sign in, this is register. I just clicked on register and then we're expecting the register page to come up. So guys, I'm just going to scroll down to show you guys how the registration page looks like, whereby we have first name, last name, username, email, password, confirm password, address and phone number. And the fun thing is that you can list estates on this website, whereby we have the property activation price is 5 USD and the property featured price is 10 USD. Guys, I'm just going to go ahead and then sign into this website since I have an account created on this website, guys. So guys, this is basically how the user's interface look like when you log in, guys. We have add property, whereby you can add properties, and then we have property activation price 5 USD, property feature price 10 USD if you want to feature a property. And then we have my package, which we have the free, basic, premium. All these are just additional features added to the website. And then here we have back payments details. We have IBAN, Swift. Please enter property ID in bank transfer notice. Great, guys. So let's go ahead and then add a property as a user. I'm just going to go to the home page. So right now I'm just going to look for a property which I want. I'm just going to go to the featured. So guys, here are properties listed in the feature page. I'm just going to click on this. So guys, here we have the property details. We have the property, we have the listing agent, and then we have the agent name, agent phone number, agent email address, guys. And then we have the description of this property and so on, guys. And basically the easiest way you can even reach out to your agent is to just come here and then put in the property you're interested in and then put in the code for this and then send a message. So if this post is being made by the admin, you and the admin can chat regarding this property and then reach an agreement and make payments on this WeEstate website. So this is basically how you can add a new property. You chat with the agent and reach an agreement and make payments on the website using the payments method available, guys. So guys, I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a WeEstate website just like this. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to build a WeEstate website like this. So I'm just going to go to my cPanel. I'm going to hit enter. Great, guys, we are currently logged into my cPanel. I'm just going to go ahead and then create a subdomain. I'm going to click on domains. Domains, I'm just going to click on create a new domain. Then I'm going to put in my subdomain name. I can just call it gateway. Great, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit. So guys, great, we have the domain successfully created. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go to file manager and then I'm going to locate my subdomain, guys. We have the subdomain here called gateway.whitevon digital. I'm going to open this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to upload the script for this WeEstate website here. We're just going to click on upload, where we are going to be uploading the files. And then we have the file here, WeEstate.zip. I'm just going to wait while it gets uploaded. So great, guys, we have our file successfully imported. I'm just going to right click and then extract, guys. And then I'm going to click on extract files, guys. While the files are being extracted, I'll just go ahead and then create a database, guys. Go back to this page, and guys, to create our database, all we need to do is to come here and then search for MySQLi. Then I'm just going to click on this, which appear on the first search, and then I'm just going to go ahead and then give my database name and so on. I'm just going to call this gateway 2. I'm going to copy and then paste. I'm going to advise you to make sure you save your database name in a notepad. Then I'm going to hit on next step. I'm also going to call this gateway 2. And then I'm going to paste my password. You can generate a password for yourself, that is for your database name, that you can always remember. and then I'm going to click on create user, guys. A database will be created for my project. I'm going to click on all privileges, and then I'm going to scroll down and click on make changes. Great, guys, our database has successfully been created, guys. We've allowed all privileges and so on, guys. So I'm just going to go back to the file which I recently extracted, which is done. And great, guys, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and visit our website, because we're actually going to be going through an installation process for these projects. I'm going to visit our website and then hit enter, guys. So guys, an installation process showed up. I'm just going to go ahead and then fill in every details here. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is under application type, leave it like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to put in an email. I can just give it an email, admin@gmail.com. Great, guys, and under admin username I have admin, which I'm going to leave, and then I have password. I'm just going to set my password to 123456. So these are what we are going to be using to log into our admin dashboard. And then here we can set an agent details, so that we can actually log in as an agent with these default details. I'll also give it password of 123456. Great, guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to paste my database details here. Guys, remember that our database name is WHITEVON Digital _ gateway 2. So I'm just going to paste it here. Make sure you paste your database details which you have created in this field, guys. So here I'm just going to paste this. I'm also going to scroll down and then paste this here. I'll also scroll down and paste this here, guys. So guys, here where you found Code Canyon username, you should just put some random number like demo user or anything, guys. Then purchase code, also use the demo, and then hit save, guys. So guys, after the installation we have our website loading. Guys, this is so easy, guys. We are done with the installation and then we have our website coming up. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then log into my admin dashboard and then make changes to logo and so on. So this is the link to have access to the admin dashboard. So guys, I'm going to use the details which I created while I was installing, and then I'll click on sign in, guys. So guys, we have our admin interface. The next thing I'm just going to do is to scroll down and then come under settings. Come to settings, scroll up, and then come to settings. Under settings, I'm going to click on company details, guys. So under company details, we have details like this. I will just change this to Gateway Estates. Great, guys, and I will just scroll down. I'll go ahead and then rename this as Gateway Agency, and then I'll hit save, guys. So guys, the details has been saved. I'm going to head up to system settings. Under system settings, we have the no reply email and so on, guys. These are the system settings which I'm just going to leave it the way it is, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on design templates, where I'm going to change logo and so on. Under design templates, we have the website logo, we have the website favicon, we have the watermark and so on, guys. I'm just going to use the logo which I used to design the websites which we showed as demo. The logo has been uploaded. I'm also going to select the same logo as my favicon. All logo has been uploaded. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then click on save changes, guys. Just going to click on save. The next thing I'm going to do, guys, is to just go ahead and then click on Ctrl H, and then I'm going to click on clear browsing data, and then I'm going to click on browsing data and then clear data. The next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my home page and then refresh. So guys, it's so easy, guys. After making changes, we reloaded our website and then we have the new installed website, guys, exactly like what we just showed in the demo. And then here we have the logo which was just uploaded, and here, since we are logged in as an admin, it shows that we can make changes on this website directly from the home page, for the fact that we are logged in as an admin, guys. So guys, this is exactly the same with what we showed as a preview on what we are going to be accomplishing in this video, guys. So guys, this is basically how to design a eye-catchy estate website, guys. So there's no doubt that I left no stone unturned in this video. To get the script, all you need to do is to check the description of this video. You will find a WhatsApp number you can chat and number you can reach out to get the scripts, guys. If you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumb up, like this video, share, and smash the subscribe button. See you guys in my next video.